Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to become a registered teacher in Jamaica. It is stated in law under the Education Act 1980 that a person shall not teach or be employed as a teacher in a public educational institution unless he or she is registered. Teachers are registered with the Jamaica Teaching Council (JTC), which was established in the year 2008 as part of the Education Transformation Strategy to improve the quality and coverage of education island-wide. The registration is free and open to all teachers in Jamaica. The registration does not expire. Requirements. To register as a teacher in Jamaica, here are the requirements. Certified copy of birth certificate. Certified copies of qualification or academic qualifications. 2 written character references. Certified copies of TRN and NIS cards. 1 passport size photograph. Police record and food handler's permit if you are an early childhood teacher. The application process. The application process for registration takes 2 steps. Step 1 is the online registration process. To register online, visit jtc.gov.jm and click on New Registration Application, then complete the process. The online registration will require, among other things, your name, email, address, taxpayer registration number TRN, NIS number, ID number, and information on your education. After completing the online registration, step 2 is to put together the required documents and visit the Jamaica Teaching Council's head office or the nearest regional office to submit the documents for verification. You also have the option of submitting your documents by postal mail. The Jamaica Teaching Council will check your documents, and if the verification is successful, you will be registered as a teacher in Jamaica. Within 2 to 3 business days, the Jamaica Teaching Council will send you your registration receipt, which contains your teacher registration number. You would now be registered with the Ministry of Education in Jamaica. Please note that your teacher registration number will be the same as your taxpayer registration number TRN.